Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the drain pump housing on the Samsung washer. We need a few different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. The most common issue with the drain pump housing is it cracking and causing a leak. For this repair, disconnect power and the water supply to the washing machine. The drain pump is located on the bottom of the washing machine, so you'll need room to tip the washer on its back. Before tipping it, make sure that all the water is drained out of the washer and tape the lid closed. With the machine tipped on its back, the drain pump is located in the corner here. Now remove the plastic cover by prying on the edges. This may be difficult. Next, disconnect the two electrical connectors. Then, pinch the clamp on each hose and slide the clamp off the drain pump assembly and remove the hoses. Next, using a 12mm wrench or socket, remove the two bolts. Before removing the pump housing and bracket, take a photo to document the positioning. Then, remove the 4 Phillips screws. Make note that the shorter screw goes next to the drain fitting. If you have a bad drain pump housing and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washing machine to make sure you get the correct part. Also, the new drain pump housing does not include the check valve. You'll need to transfer it from the original or order it separately if needed. Using a flat blade screwdriver, pry on the edge of the check valve and work your way around. Install the check valve by aligning it on the housing and pressing down around the edges until it seats back in place. Before reassembling the drain pump, make sure to clean and check the seal on the pump. Now, if needed, reference your photo from earlier. Align the drain pump housing in the correct orientation and push in place. Then install the bracket and the 4 Phillips screws. Again, the shorter screw goes next to the drain fitting. Next, insert the bolts through the bracket, align them to the frame, and start the thread by hand before tightening down with a wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten. Now, slide the hoses over the fitting and slide the hose clamps back in place. Then, reconnect the two electrical connectors. These can be connected to either terminal. Next, reinstall the cover by aligning and firmly pushing back in place. With everything put back together, plug the washer back in and test it out to make sure that everything's working properly and that there aren't any leaks. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.